Hello, today we will reveal what color horse and cow are inside the colored circle. So, let's get started right away. Blue. Let's find out what color cow is in the blue circle. Brown cow. It's a brown cow. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Horse in white. Let's find out what color horse is in white. It's a zebra. Horse with black and white stripes. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Brown. There's a cow in a brown circle. Let's find out what color cow is in the brown circle. It's a black cow. Let's see what the black cow looks like. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Yellow. There is a horse in yellow color. Let's find out what color horse is in the yellow circle. Wow, it's a white horse. Let's see what the white horse looks like. Okay, what's next? Let's spin it again. Cow in black. Let's see what color cow is in the black circle. It's a white cow. Let's see the white cow video. Okay, here are the last one. Horse in red color. Let's find out what color horse in a red circle. Wow, it's a black horse. A beautiful black horse. Do you like it? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.